very important. And again, yes, offer wayo. And they drew match be say come build up, and I think it's very, interesting because both sides need how obia sifa pese unya bragging rights no ema in the club obia pese unya sa win so edima ne team. So I think say a statistic na ni jaya ho kan say they are going forward they do so na game no mu awe de amaye. Say they can come say Uche has to folk attack justice to start ni nyina. And one thing I would done when we has to folk a home matches no against Kumasi Asante Koroko. I think say
home matches.
Say has to folk bo Accra or muni Kumasi Asante Koroko no. I think say one thing Kuti omi pa.
Kuti has.
Yes. No.
Kuti has.
Yes.
Now my say has home you Kumasi.
Oh, that was then. But I think so of late Koroko amani o mesisa because now has to folk back Kumasi Krana a problem. And we has to folk last 12 home games against Asante Koroko winning 5 inum 5. I'm a house of folk a winning move miensa and a moon 9 about air draw. So clearly it tells you that when Koroko Accra Accra on any house of folk
feel comfortable.
Yes. So one particular game I'm say yet Koroko still have the vim, the vigor, and again some bit my could be strong on. But come has to folk this season Masood Bibia I think say I will see pay attention to what he is doing because now you could see say has to folk a team no jelly back Accra. You starting season no now we has to folk dia first 3 matches 4 matches neighbor no come and now team has to folk a ball game now after 60 minutes now has to folk echo off. About first half, they come. The statistics have after 60 minutes, you could see the house of folk not almost struggle. And one particular thing, I made say Masood, ayen ye pa kwame, aspect na menyaje pa. After that, almost say now house of folk book game now, irrespective of time, bono house of folk will still be pushing any opponent, playing good football. Now you could see say house of folk book gamer, they have a plan. Omu wo game plan omu de ko a game and at a point oti papa your friend Masouda and then no say ade aye na neje any say nania all chire aye players no e wo boardroom the all chire players no e wo training ground no e na neje say ene guys no ati na say I nei omu ye no field ne so. That was when results no enshare too stable. That was when no all start enshare 1-0 no. Now on the field of play now Masood okay with the performance of House of Folk a team no how guys no AC bono. And clearly you could see say now we omu team how almost football game now coach and Sano after the air game nimu nia akaye House of Folk how to win matches because now o match say nei so omu be lose super de kwame e bedding either omu go home or away this season House of Folk actually say Belombe lose game no a problem. Now at a point they were not conceding, but Ombesha one go be and almost go cry no more. Now a normal starting S now House of Folk is conceding and again scoring goals because the last 4 matches 3-4 matches now House of Folk show 1-0 or Besha no show 1 goal and we started raising concerns on how House of Folk is a game no. Now the last 3 matches House of Folk about to us no kwame and they almost be out 2. So clearly it tells you that almost starting SI PK by scoring goals to almost start of play no, which are kwame me free say a plus at the mark House of Folk. And tene omuni Kumasi Asante Koroko kwame the game itself no crown e turn home at the mark players no. Players no enya motivation bia game na ankasa omuni Koroko no kwame ebo no eno ankasa ema guys no motivation. And the touchline that got one kwame these 2 coaches omujina honum so no kwame I think say omusu a factor for this particular game.
Didi Dramani,
yes.
Karim Zito,
yes.
Coaches yana share or top for the
yes. Answer before then now a coach Karim Zito actually House of Folk action or president cap 2-1. Yes. And then papa your friend Masood so top 4 ono so chi Kumasi Asante Koroko e twa no 2-0 these two men, I mean these two coaches on was we and the omumi no nyina obiase ni yonko bako. So clearly it tells you that omumi enu na nkasa so no ewo a score to settle. Yes. Because now obiase bako we win bako. And these two men great men Jones say Kwame omu score to settle. Difficult. Oh yes. You can't afford to miss this game. And you see, Kwame, the players have to focus on Kwame. On my parody this, I mean, this season. You see, coach, Kwame, or see a Bonabaso. Oche how was he Ashisha has a folk team, no, from right back, left back, central defense, one Kwame midfield, Ekwakosi attacking third one. No problem. I mean, what has a folk team as we speak. Kwame fanated. That is where the problem is. Because and they almost strikers no Kwame banging in goals no other problem. And the man has a folk. But the good thing is that now other players in so no started share at the bois strikers no has to folk say. Per almost last 3 games or mabo. Tene Kwame. Call right backer. Said they now can Abrante no your friends I'm quite beefy. Now consistency was starting a ball game new year or right back what the miles of folk. We send on your number 2 and you are converting I'm gonna be right back wall. And TNA we had the performance Kwame was cementing position what this season the performance no Kwame was really pa. The goalkeeper for Accra of folk the least said the better. Benjamin Asare the number 1 goalkeeper for a national team no say as we speak. You know keeping clean sheets for House of Folk. Kwame Oko a left back one man Rashford Mensah. Now on to open 1 defender, 1 left backer away a local scene Kwame the performance no Kosra you can ride him back. And they on to performance Kwame I was through this season. Abrante fellow Kevin Osesibe and again Aliu Mohammed. Fantastic defender by all standard. And they pray free you could see say House of Folk struggle watch ho. Only a branch of friend Kevin or CSB Kwame or mu play watch on solid. And they allow a free no one say lapses abedem watch on.
Abdul Karim is back.
Yes, that is some midfield and do confirm. Who say as you on? As you pa.
Zuba ya na okika onse.
Na meboa.
Ehye me say.
Sasem no kram to say we ya we. Ehye pa because now okra so Nicholas onya okai production we aye no wa pass ko quality an ko fa brantie no. So enti a kire ho de has of folk any problem say see I wo honom. Ubo game now who say now they know what they are doing. And fifi ho de now abrantie na obo ndi say see wa beshem ama Hussein enso so no Bismarck mami starting line up na de kwamo de two rank mani baje pa. Hussein so there now the magical man, the magical boy,
the magical
oh come on Kwame. Abrante there now currently permit freedom so more Ghana master or more performance was Kwame. Three of them Hussein can Abrante performance was running ball ni bo papa. Pa kunu so no game no Kwame. You see onye player ohuru dodo na e wo game ni mu ba Kwame because of how Osifa bon the game no but he add a lot to has a folk midfield one no Okrabon so Kwame ne je din a small boy na Masood man is our confidence na Odibo game no Rafa Ponsa our class of folk for the past 3 seasons here Kwame ni season say abo nyina no unse dem hu aye Rafa Ponsa ye but now this season Ebra aye Masood buy no wa me hu the best out of Rafa Ponsa last season personally na me free say na osan kom maniko but then Masood buy no Abrante the game no change entire together now he is the player or holding us of confifi on defensive role no only ni Abrante now ono ebo enti Rafa Ponsa so make a solid performance this season Kwame Mauli wayo last season virtually he was the best player for Accra as a folk. Oprai anu aba. Now you could see so starting so keka no ho kakra ewo ni mu wonom. Frank Aboradu kunsusu no oba no on share that me ehuni bebre ba Kwame I think so no so no ene chance bi obenya bia no ono so show glimpses kakra minim say with time Abranten again on so be perform all Hamza is also there. I mean oyenim no now scoring goals na be a problem Ediama Hamza Brene open one striker or tormenting defenders or hard defenders ni play no difficult to play against Abranten friend Hamza is Kwame you can't write him off. So clearly Papa friend Masood actually share a solid team for Accra as a folk. This season, we have performance or Mudima and Kwame. I think say we is not a problem there, but the nation Belusun so a problem. Yes, Oma more matches SM Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And then you can make a case for Accra as a folk per the number of matches on Mabono compared to Asante Kotoko. And Masood Sunday dear Kwame. Mijiri said dear all year no dear, only all year, and he knows what is at stake coming Sunday. Kumasa Sante Kroko, I think he has to folk for the past 2-3 seasons here. Has to folk with me Sante Kroko. The Omutimi Eddie Regini Omuwa top 4. And we say now no say do and I die for a crowd of folk because no person come at all costs Omutimishe and indeed Omutimishe. And Tene Drew League Nanma, a bad problem the mass of folks in the Ombetini Kumasa Sante Kroko.
Quite problem.
I have problem. I have problem.
But then and say has more mobile performance now.
Kwame me ka omli Asante Kotoko.
I say any performance on better than Dino. And one of them be room.
Sunday ana. Oh for that one they for sure. But you see Kwame, these two teams have to be a performance now you know say no one be break ahun. And the performance go to your point. Has to folk no mo nya there. On bedru kuma safi no mo shana kuma Asante Kotoko operation beti. Now the folk in the performance in your face, or no more master tipes no, or Shana Sante Kotoko press or betty. So I do moment to be saying now, I'm a form guide no, and so I count to people, but Kumasa Sante Kotoko of late. I'm here who say no former or form. As Sante Kotoko me who say no form or more, a crowd of folk call from no Mushiano, or more crowds of focus. And Jenny, no much background or money as a folk baba, now as a folk yet to take. Kona heading. See betimi Asante Kotoko abo. But this season, Papa friend Masood team a wahye da ho. Any the guys no any on lose game kwana kwame be problem na. I think say Sunday nyame aduma we are in for a game. And again, Papa Masood what is at stake. Let's not forget coach our friend Karim Zito. SCNA onye coach or tra ho me share to us 2 times. And the last game mo boy no Papa your friend Masood Aseno. Into betra me asa asena na. Eno de minim se wa akele sa de na free ho. But eno ni international stage. Ti aka local scene ha. And I'm just looking forward say Papa your friend Masood ebema coach Karim Zito say nay and some of say en share nto aso mienu no eni obe set our record no. Eno so at stake. Kwame bragging right in there we all know in terms of supporters in the be free waba players in the be free waba any coaches in the be free waba Kwame ni na kan bi. So going forward I believe that these guys enimnia e also omoye coach no enimnia also omoye entinene the assessor omoye bia no Kwame omo ankasa anya afi no also omutie omunim and when we say chete kono so no ye beba Asante Kotoko so na
so ye be game no komo kese pa
kakra ti Kwame am first na Nicholas man na so so de no but it oh yes.
Me da say